Stop saying affirmations that don't work. Because the truth is, it's not affirmations that fail you, it's the way you create them. Hi, beautiful. Today, I'm going to teach you something that completely changed how I attract things into my life. Not just saying affirmations, but creating powerful, effective affirmations that actually align with your energy and your desires. Because, let's be honest, anyone can repeat words, but not everyone knows how to make those words manifest reality. Most people say affirmations like they're trying to convince themselves, but feminine energy doesn't convince, it embodies. When you say something that doesn't feel true, your energy contracts, and manifestation doesn't happen from pressure, it happens from alignment. This one mistake will never allow you to align with the universe's abundance. They say affirmations that their mind doesn't believe. For example, I am a millionaire, but deep inside, you feel broke, stressed, and doubtful, and your mind goes, this is a lie. So instead of attracting, you create resistance. Affirmations don't work through words alone. They work through belief plus emotion plus repetition. Now, let me give you the formula that actually works. A powerful affirmation has 4 things. Number 1, present tense. Speak as if it's already happening, like it's already true. It shouldn't feel like something you want, but something you already are. Number 2, emotional connection. You have to feel it, not just say it. It should feel calm, natural, and true to yourself, not forced. And you shouldn't feel stressed trying to believe it. Number 3, clear target. Be specific and situation-based, not generic. Give a clear timeline to achieve your desire. Affirmations works effectively when your brain has a clear target. Number 4, personal identity. Make it about you, your identity, your energy, more personal, who you are becoming. Not you're trying, but this is who you are. Let's create one together. Step 1, choose your desire. It can be money, love, confidence, success, anything. But don't focus on what you want. Focus on who you are when you already have it. Step 2, ask yourself, how does she feel? How does she walk into a room? What kind of energy does she carry? Because affirmations are not about getting, they are about becoming. Step 3, turn that into a powerful statement with a clear target and tune into a situation. Instead of, I want to be loved, say, I am naturally loved, chosen, and cherished by the right people in every space I enter, especially in my daily interactions, and I feel it deeply and effortlessly. Step 4, add emotion and power. Feel it, visualize it, own it. Your affirmation should give you chills like, yes, this is me.
You don't need permission to become your highest version. You don't need validation. You just need to decide. And today, you learned how. Comment your new affirmation below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who needs to hear this.